Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will finish the chapter 5, okay, that is fundamental unit of life. So in last video we have already talked about the mitochondria and also the lysosome and Golgi apparatus ER. And in this video we will discuss about the plastid. Okay, plastid are present in the form of only in plant cell. Okay, plastid is a that organelle that is only present in plants. Okay, there are two types of plastid: chromoplast, colored plastid, leucoplast, white or colorless. Okay, and chromoplast. Okay, plastid have two types. First one is chromoplast, second one is leucoplast. Okay, chromoplast is colored plastid and leucoplast is colorless plastid. Okay, or also in color white. Okay, white or colorless. Okay, next, chromoplast containing the pigment chlorophyll are known as chloroplast. Chromoplast contain the pigment thing that is called chloroplast. Okay, chloroplasts are important for photosynthesis. Chloroplasts that contain chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is important in photosynthesis. That's why chloroplasts are important for the photosynthesis in plant. Chloroplasts also contain various yellow-orange pigments in addition to chlorophyll. Okay, it also present two more color, that is yellow or orange. Leucoplasts are primarily organelle in which protein granules are stored. It means the leucoplast is a food storage, like it store many types of starch, oils, protein granules. Okay, protein granules are stored, okay, in the leucoplast. And now the internal organization of the chloroplast consists of numerous membranes. Okay, internal chloroplasts have a numerous membrane layer embedded in a material called stoma. Okay, it is, suppose that this is a chloroplast and it is many membrane like structure are present in the stoma. Okay, this is called stoma. Suppose that in the mitochondria this one is cisternae. Okay, and inside this place is called matrix. In the same way, that place is called stoma. These are similar to mitochondria and external structure, same as external structure. Like a mitochondria, plastid also have their own DNA and ribosome. Okay, like mitochondria and plastid have also their own DNA and ribosome. Okay, next one is vacuole, that is most important organ of the plant. Vacuole stores sacs for the solid or liquid contents. Vacuoles also small size in animal cell, while plant cell have a very large vacuole. Okay, in plant cell there is a large shape of vacuole is present, but in animal cell there is no use of vacuole. That's why it present in a small size. You can see here that this is a very large size of what? Vacuole. Okay, this one is called vacuole. Okay, and this one is chloroplast and Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, cell wall. Here it is also written, that is vacuolar. Sorry, here the central vacuole of the plant cell may occupy 50 to 90% of the cell volume. Okay, it means the total cell volume the cell volume of 50 to 90% of the cell volume. Okay, vacuole size is if we measure in percentage, then the 50 to 80% is occupy the space in cell. In plant cell, vacuole are full of cell sap and provide tursity and rigidity to the cell. It provides tursity and also helps us to become cell hard and also full of cell sap. It means wastage material that come from the cell. Okay. Many substances of importance in the life of the plant cell are stored in the vacuole. Many that is important for the plant cell, it is stored in the vacuole. This include amino acids, sugar, various organic acids, some proteins. Okay, in the single-celled organisms like amoeba, the food vacuole contains the food items and the amoeba has a consumed. Okay, it means vacuole also stores some basic proteins. Okay, but in amoeba it also stores food. In some unicellular organisms, a specialized vacuole also play an important role in expelling excess water and some wastage of the cell. It means it also expelling for the excess of water and also some waste from the cell. So this is about the vacuole, and now here each cell thus acquires the structure and ability to function because of the organization of its membrane and organelle. In specific ways, the cell has a basic structural organization. This helps us cells to perform function like a respiration, obtaining nutrition, and clearing of waste material or forming new proteins. Okay, this is the help of the organelle of the cell. Okay, thus the cell is the fundamental structural unit living organism. This is also the basic functional unit of life, because in the cell many process and function are involved. That is, some of them is respiration, nutrition, also formation of ATP. Okay, that's why it is called cell is the fundamental unit of life. Now there is one short point of view of cell division. Let's see. Cell division is a process in which two cells is divided. Okay. So new cells are formed the organization in order to grow, replace old dead insert cell, and to form gamete required for the reproduction. The process by which new cells are made is called cell division. Okay. The process by which new cells are made called cell division. There are two main types of cell division like mitosis and meiosis. The process of cell division by which most of the cell divide growth is called mitosis. It means most of the cell division are with the process of mitosis. Cell divide with the process of mitosis. In this process, each cell called mother cell. Okay. Divide into form two identical daughter cells. Okay. This one is mitosis. The daughters have the same number of chromosomes as the mother. It helps in growth and repairs of tissue in organisms. Specific cell of reproductive organ are or tissue in animal and plant divide to form gamete, which after fertilization give rise to offspring. Okay. They divide by a different process called meiosis. Okay, it means the offspring, like a fertilization, it divide with the meiosis, which involves two consecutive division. When a cell divide by a meiosis, it produces 4 new cells instead of just 2. Okay, the new cell only have a half number of the chromosome than that of mother cell. Can you think as why the chromosome number has reduced to the daughter cell? Okay. So here is a question, and this one is figure of meiosis and mitosis. This one is mitosis and this one is meiosis. Okay. So I hope you understand this chapter, that is all about the cell, and this one is the what you have learned. Now here is the exercises are come. that is make a comparison and write down way in which plant cells are different from animal cell. Okay, here we have to write the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Okay, how we can explain that plant cell have a cell wall, animal cell does not cell wall? We have to do the comparison. Okay, in the basis of cell wall, in the basis of nucleus, in the basis of organelle also the plastid is not present in the animal cell and it is present in only plant cell. In the basis of vacuole also. Okay, so these are the way. And second number question is, how is a prokaryotic cell different from eukaryotic cell? Okay, how they are different? Write the 2-3 difference about the prokaryotic and also the eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cell have not membrane bounded organelle, the nucleus is not present. Okay, in eukaryotic cell nucleus is present, membrane bounded organelle are also present, and also prokaryotic is also present. No cell wall. In the basis of cell wall we cannot difference between. One more thing you can write here, that in the prokaryotic cell there is a not any nuclear membrane are present. Here eukaryotic cell that nucleus have a double membrane bounded. Okay. Next question is, what would happen if the plasma membrane ruptures or breaks down? Here is a question that if the plasma membrane break down, what will happen? Obviously all the organelles of the cell comes out and suppose that it burst. Okay, and if the cell burst, then the no function occurs in the cell, so also reduce in the formation of also reduce in the respiration, ATP production. Okay, so we cannot get energy. Okay, this is the point. Now which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell and why? Powerhouse of the cell, we have already read that mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell because it contains DNA, RNA of its own. Why? That mitochondria have own DNA and DNA and ribosome, and it helps in the production of ATP, that is most important for the any living. Okay, where do the lipids and proteins constituting the cell membrane get synthesized? Okay, here is the question that where the lipid and protein constituting the cell membrane get synthesized. Lipid and protein are generally synthesized in smooth ER. Okay, and also in Golgi apparatus, I think, but maybe a smooth ER. Okay, how does the amoeba obtain its food? It is about the amoeba, that how it obtain the food. Okay, now here is the what is osmosis. We have to write the what is osmosis process. Okay, carry out which of the following experiment. Okay, this one is an experiment and we have to carry out. Okay, so which type of cell division is required for the growth and repair of a body? Which type is involved in formation of gamete? Okay, we have to here we have to define the two types of division, that is mitosis and meiosis. Also we have to define the mitosis and meiosis because here is a two type of question is given here, that which type of cell division is required for the growth and which type of cell is involved in formation of gamete. Okay, so we have to involve here both of the process. Okay, so I hope you understand very well this chapter. Okay, that's all. Thank you.